Hello, ma'am, sir. I'm Rejuan Sarcon Blanca. I am 48 years old, currently residing here in North Cotabato, Philippines. I am separated for 11 years and I have one son. My educational attainment is I graduated from Notre Dame of Midsayap College, North Cotabato, with a degree of Bachelor of Arts, major in Community Extension. My first working experience was in Dubai, taking care of four children, ages 11 years old, 8 years old, and the twins are 6 years old. And I'm doing all around household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, playing with the children, and helping them with their homeworks. My second working experience was in Singapore, taking care of two children ages 10 years old and 7 years old. And I'm doing all around household chores like baking, cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, doing some groceries, helping them, playing with them, sending and fetching them from school, and helping them with their homeworks. Ma'am, sir, if you hired me, I'm a hardworking, fast learner, flexible, and I'm doing multitasking to assess my employers, respectful and well organized with excellent performance to serve you better. Thank you.